Hello guys, welcome back to All About SCM and Logistics channel. My name is Arvind Kumar. Today we'll discuss the technical terms which are frequently used in logistics industry. Hope you guys are getting to learn something from this channel. I would eagerly wait for your suggestion and feedback. So without wasting any more time, let's start with today's session. The first term is inventory counting. So if we talk about inventory counting is actually the reconciliation of the physical stock with the system inventory. The inventory that we have in our warehouse according to the system, which is recorded into the system, and the physical stock which is actually available in our warehouse. So reconciliation of that is called inventory counting. Second is cycle counting. Cycle counting is basically the counting of inventory with a frequency. That means frequency is defined by the company or the warehouse owner or any firm, and according to that frequency, they are actually auditing the inventory first to manage their inventory well. Third term is periodic inventory counting. So periodic inventory counting is basically the counting 100% SKUs which are available in our warehouse at a frequency of quarterly basis. So if we count 100% of SKUs which are available in our warehouse and at an interval of quarterly basis, that will be called as periodic inventory counting. Next is SKU. This term you must have heard many times if you are a worker or an employee who is working in the logistics industry. You must have heard these terms many times. So SKU stands for stock keeping unit, but what does it mean? It actually means the product or a variant or a particular size that is kept in our warehouse. That is called SKU. For example, I have a laptop, right? So under laptop we could have the different variants, and that all the variants must be having different features. So every laptop will be called as an SKU. Next is perpetual inventory counting. So under perpetual inventory counting, we actually continuously keep on evaluating or keep on auditing our inventory on a continuous basis. If we are doing so on a continuous basis, that will be called as perpetual inventory counting. Next is blind cycle count. So in blind cycle count, what we do is we actually take out the list of the SKUs which we want to audit randomly. So we take out the inventory that is kept in our warehouse of any of the SKUs. We take out a list and from our system, and we actually what we do, we randomly start the audit and blindly we start on doing the audits, and we try to match whether the physical stock match with the system stock. Next is inventory variance report. So if we talk about inventory variance report, it is basically on the basis of the MRP, on the basis of the size which is being mentioned while recording the inventory in our system. So that recording has to match with the physical stock available in our warehouse. For example, I have stored a 1 liter water bottle into my warehouse, and I have to make sure that the system stock available is for 1 liter, and physically also the bottle should be available for 1 liter only. It should not happen that I have recorded for 1 liter but 500 ml is available in my warehouse, or I have stored 1 liter and according to the system stock I have 500 ml. So these kind of product details that we match into our inventory variance report, or we check into our inventory variance report, that could be on the basis of the MRP as well. Suppose I have 1 liter of water bottle in my warehouse, and that's MRP is 50 rupees. So on the system also it should be 50 rupees only. So that we need to make sure through this particular inventory variance report. Last but not the least is inventory accuracy. Inventory accuracy is kind of a report only, where what we do is we try to see how much variance is coming if we record our inventory on the basis of the physical and on the basis of the system stock. That variance or that the report or the difference between these two things is called as inventory accuracy report. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope you are liking my sessions. I would definitely again I am saying that I would be really happy if you tell me any suggestion or any comments or anything you want me to include in my sessions, any topic related to logistics or Excel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll meet very soon with a very interesting topic in our next video. Till then, take very good care of you. Edwin Kumar signing off here.